Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
How are you?
How do you do?
Are you fine? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, today we are doing the senses. Today we are doing the senses. Do you know what is the senses? I will tell you what is the senses. Senses is the all your parts of body. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Good. Which sense is this? Sing. Which sense is this? Sing. Which sense is this?
Sing.
I can see with my eyes. I can see with my eyes. Say, I can see
I see
with my eyes.
my eyes.
Okay, put here. Good. Good. Next sense is hearing. Which sense is this?
Hearing.
Hearing. Which sense is this?
Hearing.
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 I can hear with my ear. Where's your ear? Show me. Where's your ear? Good. Take it and put there. Put there. Here. Good. Okay. Next sense is smelling. I can smell with my nose. I can smell with my nose. Where's your nose? Show me. This one. Good. Okay. Put there. Good. Okay. Next other sense is tasting. Where's your tongue? Show me your tongue. Tongue. Show me tongue. Just only tongue. Yes. This is your tongue. Look here. Tongue. This is your tongue. Take it. Put there. Tongue. Loudly say it. I can taste with my tongue. I can taste with my tongue. Good. Very good. Okay. Next sense is touching. Next sense is touching. Next sense is touching. I can touch with my hands. Show me your hands. Hands show kare. Good. Hands. Okay, take it and put there. Slowly, slowly. Good. Five senses. Five senses. We have them. We have them. Sing. Hearing. 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 Smelling. Tasting.